Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from Jacket. Welcome on my channel. Today, I'm going to show you the best use of air fryer. I have this Ninja, many functions, but mostly I have used to make those one air fryer, and they really get like way tasty and crunchy. Like I have two chicken patties and two hash brown potato patties, and I have some chicken nugget. We mostly do before we microwaves and put in this oven and we eat it. But since I have this air fryer and I started using, like, I'm gonna put everything in, chicken patties and everything, then we're gonna make a sandwich and taste go way tasty, like a lot better than the oven thing. So now I'm gonna show you quick how I use this Ninja air fryer. This inside the little like shelf or rack is for air fryer. You can air fry everything, basically without oil, healthy. So I have some chicken nuggets. So I'm gonna put some patties inside, like I put chicken patties like that. I'm gonna put two hash brown. These one, like you can put it either way, they fit. All right, now we're gonna close. This Ninja air fryer comes with the two lid because you can also steam boil, like you can do steam, veggie, lot of stuff. But I'm using this lid, just close it. Now we're gonna turn the power on. Ready from air crisp. I'm gonna press air crisp. So temperature already 390. If you want, you can go up and down. I'm gonna put on 390. From here time, how long you want. If it's cold, it's gonna take about like 5 to 6 minutes to get hot. So I need only for 5 minutes. So basically I have to do 10 minutes. 5 minutes to, I'm gonna let them get hot, and 5 minutes to air crisp my stuff inside. So now you just only gonna press the start. You're gonna see the time started. It's basically preheating right now. So now we're gonna wait for like maybe like almost 7-8 minutes, then we will check once. So now it's almost 7 minutes. I'm gonna open check so we don't wanna overcook. So as you can see, they're sizzling. It might be a little hot. It's still soft. I believe we're gonna do like 1 or 2 more minutes. So now, like if I take this stuff out, I have to restart it. Then you need only 5 to 7 minutes. As soon as I close the lid, it started automatically. If I open, it's gonna stop. I pause the time, I closed, it started again. So now you're gonna wait like almost 3 more minutes. I think that will be enough. So time is almost done. I could set it to 10 minutes if I'm not present close to the air fryer. I should set to 10 minutes, but I will be here around, so I just set to 20 minutes, and I'm gonna wait only 10 minutes. Now, I'm gonna open, so it should be done. And you can see by the color, I have tried many times. Like these are the chicken nuggets. They're really like crunchy, and the taste get a lot better than oven. So here I have this bread. So basically my kid, they don't eat any veggie, so I'm just gonna put chicken patty inside. And you can see chicken nuggets really crunchy. Alrighty. So hope you guys like. You guys need to consider to buy air fryer. Thank you very much.